Hi everyone, welcome back. I just got home from my vacation in Florida and I'm really tired, but wanted to film this video quickly for you guys. I wanted to share some of my purchases from Florida. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because I'm pretty tired from traveling all day. So let's get right into the video. So the first two things I'm going to show you are my first, I guess they are my first ready-to-wear purchases ever, I guess. So I picked up this Gucci t-shirt, and these, I wore this today on the flight home, so I knotted it at the bottom just to make it a little more fitted. But it is just the classic Gucci t-shirt in black, and on the back it has flower, which is cute. So I got a size small. Doesn't say it on there, but it is a size small, but it is a looser fit. Yeah, so that is one t-shirt, and I also picked up a Dior t-shirt, the Dior Evolution one, and this one I got in a size small as well. There's the tag, and on the back it just has the B and the CD. So yeah, so I did wear both of these already, so they're a little wrinkled, but you get the idea. So yeah, I was happy to have found those. The next item that, sorry, my phone is wobbling here. There we go. The next item that I picked up is another Gucci item, and this is a pair of sunglasses, and here they are. They're a little different. I just liked the kind of minty turquoise enamel on the top, and I'll show you the, so it says, I don't know if that's going to focus, there we go. It's just a really tiny GG logo on each side. And then it's got the little Gucci B there. So yeah, I thought they were kind of different. It also says Gucci on the lens there. My daughter wasn't a fan of these, but anyway, I like them. They're different, but I think they're kind of retro. So it came in, or I got to choose which case. They come in a bunch of different colors, so I chose this color. It's got pink inside, and it's like a kind of an emerald green, I guess, or maybe a tealish kind of green. And then it comes in this dust bag. So I picked up two pairs of shoes while I was in Florida. The first are a pair of Chanel shoes. And these ones I just bought on Thursday and have not worn these yet, but they are the classic espadrilles in black, which I had been looking for, and they are always sold out of my size here at home, so I was happy they had them there. They had a pretty big selection of espadrilles there, but I really wanted the classic black. And I got them in a 38, which is my beige and black pair are also a 38. And they fit perfectly. So that is, I'm not going to go too much into detail about these because I don't want to make this video too long. And the second pair of shoes are a pair of Dior shoes, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I wore these. I bought them on Monday, and I pretty much wore them all week. They are so comfortable. So they are the Dior sneakers. So you can see already scuffed them up a little bit, but I love these. They go with everything and they are so comfortable. When I get a new pair of shoes, no matter how comfortable they are, they almost always give me blisters. These did not. I wore them walking around all day, several days this week, and they were amazing. Like, just fit perfectly. And these ones I got a 37.5. I'm always a 37.5 or a 38, and for these ones I went 37.5. I love that star detail on the bottom. I love these laces. Yeah, they're just really, really cute sneakers, and I kind of want the black pair too now. But yeah, this is my first pair of Dior shoes, and I'll just show you the back because I don't feel like there are too many videos on these. They say Christian Dior, Shad Dior on the back. Yeah, so those are my Dior shoes. And the last two items, you can probably guess what these are, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what they are. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my tripod here. It's a little loose. There we go. So this is not a true unboxing because I did open these when I got them. I guess I bought them on Thursday, and when I got them back to the hotel, I did open them. So I repackaged them so that you guys get the full effect. So this one was just a bit of an impulse purchase, but here's the dust bag, and this is my new Chanel filigree wallet in caviar leather with the brushed gold hardware. And I don't know, I love the vanity cases so much that I just love the look of the filigree logo. So when I saw it in the wallet, I thought it would be a nice addition to my collection. So it came with the tag here. Yeah, in Canada they usually remove the tag, but since I bought this in Florida, I have the tag information to show you guys. So it's from the 18P collection. Oh, I guess I should cover that. It doesn't really matter, but so I think it's called the medium wallet, medium zip wallet, and that's the price. So it's got, I think, 2 card slots on each side. I do have this style in just the classic quilted in iridescent green. There's the authenticity card. So that is the wallet. And the best for last, here is my biggest purchase, I guess, from the trip. The booklet and all that is in there. I won't bother getting that out. You guys have seen that before. The dust bag. And This is my new Chanel Urban Companion in the small size in the color pink. And it is in caviar leather with silver hardware. And I originally wanted to get gray, but they were having trouble locating a gray one for me, so and then they just got this pink one in on Thursday morning right before I came into the store, so I thought it would be a nice addition because I don't have a pink Chanel bag, and I just really love this style. So I just want to show you the tag information here. So it is from 18p, and there's the code, and it just says flat bag, white metal, and then that was the price. So it also came with the authenticity card, and I'll just show you the interior quickly. I will do a more in-depth video on this bag once I use it, but it has 3 compartments. One here, it's still got the stuffing in it, but the lining is fabric, and it's the same pink color. So there's 2 kind of larger compartments here, and then the back compartment is a little bit smaller, and then it's also got this little slip pocket here, and this is where it says Chanel made in France, which was a pleasant surprise to see that this seasonal bag was made in France. I'll take this out so you can see. So it is quite roomy considering it's a pretty small bag, and it is the strap can be worn crossbody, and it has this piece of leather for your shoulders so it's comfortable. It has the 4 grommets here, so you can also double up the chain and wear it on your shoulder, which also looks cute. It has the back pocket, which was really handy when I used it. I did start using it right away when I got it, and I did put our room keys in that pocket. Here's a little view from the side so you can see the 3 compartments. It's the bottom, the other side. So yeah, I just think it's a really cute bag. It's lightweight. It looks kind of like a classic flap, but you know, with a twist, and it's really practical and I think it'll be a great everyday bag. I'm still hoping to find a gray one, maybe in the medium size, but we'll see. I'm really happy with the pink one. So anyway, those are my purchases from my vacation. It was such a great week with my family, and yeah, it's back to reality now. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe if you like this type of video, and also please follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty often, so look me up on there. My handle is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.